Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. As I promised earlier about making a video on how to learn some skills which you can actually use in getting a lot of jobs. Not just getting a job, you can use them to get multiple jobs, because in the crypto space you can have one person actually doing a remote job, like 5 different remote jobs, which will be very helpful for such person, because you can decide to work as maybe a community moderator for 2 different projects. That's being a community moderator is even actually most majorly when you don't really have much skills. That's why you hunt more of a community moderator jobs. When you have these technical skills like this web development, back and front end, software engineer and so on, those ones, once you even mention that in your CV to any project, you become hot cake actually, because they need your service more, because it's more of technical. It has much more technicalities than just communicating with community members. So that's why I'll be showing you how to go about these platforms, how to register. All the platforms, you actually register them for free. So but for the first one, it's actually for free only. They make it free for you till you graduate, and when you get a job, that's when you can decide to pay them. They'll be the one to actually source for job for you as well within your first 3 months of graduation. So that's how theirs work. So I'll be taking you guys through the website right now, so just pay attention please. So I'll open my Chrome. So the first website here is the first one is, let's start with this, microverse.org. This is microverse.org. This is how it looks like. You can see they said become an international software developer from anywhere, gain the skills you need to get hired, learn online, connect to life-changing opportunities, pay $0 until you land a job. You can see they said 85% of students land a job within 3 months of finishing microverse. You can see, so it will help you change your life. So you can see the senior software developer at Microsoft. He said, for me it was a no-brainer. I wanted to try microverse because while the alternatives will give you a tutorial or a course, you have to do it alone, but with this I add the accountability. So you see, even the developer at Microsoft was actually a student, microverse student, who happened to graduate from through microverse and landed a job with Microsoft. So this is Upstart, the front-end developer at Upstart. You can see different testimonies and say sorry, and quotes from different graduates of microverse. So you can also be like one of these people now. All you need to do is just take the step. You can see you can see their microverse alumni are hired by companies of all sizes. These are majorly the kind of companies that employ people who graduate from microverse, because they believe in their services, they believe in their trainings, because it's actually top notch. They will give you the best kind of trainings you can ever imagine. So you can see Microsoft is one of their key company that actually recruits or rather employ their graduates. So that's that for that. So the next thing you need to do is, once you come to the site and you've gone through everything, you feel you're okay with it, you can check for their curriculum before applying. I think you can check curriculum. So this is how the curriculum looks like. So you can see the technical skills, You'll be learning HTML and CSS. Then you'll be learning Ruby, databases, Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, React and Redux, algorithms, data structures. Then for the soft skills, you have effective networking, time management, cross-cultural communication, remote work best practices, how to prepare for interviews, then effective job searching. So you can see, one thing I need you to know is, if you should land a job, for example, you land a job with Microsoft, that doesn't stop you from still doing other jobs, because once you land a job with Microsoft, it will be a remote job, something you'll be doing from home. You might still use that same knowledge you've gotten from Microverse, you still apply other jobs. It's just up to you to know how to manage your time, and thank God they'll be training you on how to go about time management. So you'll be able to know how to manage your time, so that you know, okay, you should know what to give priority to before the other. So if this one is much more urgent than the other, you do this first, because it's much more urgent than the other task, so you know how to manage the time judiciously. So that's that for that on Microverse. So once you feel okay, I'm okay with this and I'm very interested, so you click on apply now. It's very easy to apply. Once you apply, you input everything, your sign up, your name and everything, you sign up. So once you sign up, it will take you to where you see their curriculum in details. When you see your curriculum in details, then it will ask you of when you wish to start. It also asks you if you have all it takes, maybe to cover up the cost of all you might be needing. Not really what you pay them, maybe more of your cost of data for the entire period, data, the PC you'll be using, do you have a PC, and the rest. You just make sure you answer everything. So your answer doesn't stop them, they will let you know that whichever answer you provide doesn't mean they will disqualify you from attending their program. But if you are asked about having a PC or not, don't be thinking maybe because they ask you about having a PC or not, then they will provide you a PC or something. No, it's you that want to learn, so it's better you try to get the PC by yourself. Yeah, that's that for Microverse. You can just sign up. I think it's the best time we learn technical skills. So now the next one is Scrimba. I have Scrimba. I think I have Scrimba here. Just sent to me by a very good friend. We served together. So this is Scrimba. You can see, if you want to learn HTML and CSS, but HTML and CSS, it will be shown to you. You will learn on Microverse as well. If you remember, when I checked the curriculum, HTML and CSS was the first course on the curriculum, so you'll be learning it there as well. But if you think you want to learn via Scrimba first, but Scrimba is a platform whereby you just learn and build yourself on your own. Once you learn and build yourself on your own, you don't expect anybody to get you a job or something. The knowledge you gain from Scrimba, you just, once you know, okay, I'm capable of doing any web page designs or anything right now, then you can just decide to go fully in it and just start applying for jobs online. And how do you apply for remote jobs online? I'll drop a link to my video on how to go about applying for jobs online and how to create resume. I have those videos in my channel, so I'll drop the video links for you in the video description section, so that you can check on how to actually get some jobs online and how to make professional resumes for you to qualify for the jobs. So this is how Scrimba looks like. This first one I'm opening is how to learn HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS, that's to create web pages. You can just create any website for projects, front end, you give it a very good UI and so on. So that's how it works. I know how much, especially crypto projects, loves the service of UI person, a web designer and so on. So this is how it works. This is their curriculum as well. So you can see this one. The good part of Screenbar is as you can see, it all comes in video. You can see once you register, you see they come in video. You can see it's reading in time. You can see time here, so you can see the time. That's the time it will call you'll be spending. So the max you'll be spending, as it was shown earlier, is 4 hours for everything, to learn everything here. Then to learn how to create blogs, for blogs as well, this is it. To learn blogs, that should take you, the videos will take you just 45 minutes. The videos will take you just 45 minutes. So that's for blogs. So you can unlock course. It doesn't cost you anything as well. It's also free. You learn everything for free. All these things, I believe this Screenbar, you can learn web development within a month if you actually devote your time for it. And if you always have passion for it, I believe within a short period of time you can, because it looks so helpful and self-explanatory. So you can just go through that. So that's the two website I'll be dropping for now, for you to watch and actually work on. And I hope and believe we are all gonna make it. Having technical skills will be a very, very big help in this space. So thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you as you do. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you're yet to, and don't forget to share with family and friends, because I would like you to do something, which is sharing with even your secondary school siblings, whom you think they are still very young. You can share with them. They need to learn these skills. The earlier the better. Once you have some of these skills, you don't need to be a graduate. You don't need to finish your higher institution before you search for jobs. You can be in school and still be earning money online. So that's one thing. We need to have that mentality that, oh, I don't have to be a graduate before I get a job. So that thing needs to change. A lot of people are earning money online. Please just try to do this and see. I believe in few months, I believe we'll be getting different testimony from different people on how this has gone in a very long way to help them in their career and in their life entirely. So thank you very much for watching the video. Click on the subscribe button, like and share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.